Make sure you use the link in the description so that you can sign up for Capital on Tap. This is an affiliate link to make sure that you get the best deals and the highest approvals possible. So use the link below to sign up. This time I'm telling you guys about a $50,000 business credit card that is great for beginners or if you're advanced. Make sure you guys stay to the end so I can give you all the details, and comment below any questions you might have for me about growing, starting, and building your business. Let's get into it. So it's Rose, and I am back again with another credit card that you can get for your business. This one is really essential because you don't have to have any business credit actually established. As long as you have your business structured properly, that's all you really need. So with this particular card, when you're doing your application, it is for Capital on Tap, and I'm going to show you guys the info right here. When you do your application, all they pretty much ask you for is your LLC name, your address for your business, your EIN, and your DUNS number as far as your business is concerned on the requirements for you to fill out the application. They are also going to ask you what is your business annual revenue, and particularly for them, you must have a revenue of at least $30,000. So for my people who already have their business established, if you have that revenue of at least $30,000, then you're great to go. Now, for my beginners, I want you guys to understand, if you already have a business plan spelled out and you have a projected income of how much you will make from this said business, then you can put that information down when it asks you what your annual revenue is. So if you know what your projected income will be, put that in the annual revenue section, and then you can go on to the next steps with filling out your business information. Now, when it comes to this card, there are no annual fees, and you can get approved up to $50,000. And in my experience, I've helped a few of my friends and clients get approved for this credit card. I've seen them get anywhere from $8,000, $13,000, all the way up to $25,000. So I've seen for myself, and I also have this card myself, that you can really get some great limits. Now, when it comes for them actually approving you for the card, they're going to do a soft pull on your personal credit, which means this is not a hard inquiry. It will not report on your credit that you got a new inquiry at all. They're pretty much just going to pull your business profile based on the information that you gave, your EIN, DUNS, LLC name, and then they're also going to look at your personal credit. Now, they do pull all three credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. But again, it is only a soft pull just to see what your credit is looking like. So I would suggest that you don't have any charge-off accounts, which is like credit card debt, personal loans, auto loans, things like that that have gone into collections. As long as you're clear of those things and you have at least a 600 or higher, you won't have a problem with getting approved for this particular business credit card. And again, for my people who are just starting out, or maybe you've already have your business established and you need some extra capital, if you don't have business credit built, this is a great way for you to use your personal credit without getting any type of hard inquiry to get you some money. And then it's a really decent amount at that. I mean, the lowest I've seen people get is like $8,000. That's a great way for you to jumpstart or get some extra inventory that you need, for your business that's already established. Now, once you get the credit card, once you are approved, you're going to receive it in the mail. They do have an app, so you can keep up with your payments and make sure that you're doing everything on time. Now, they do allow you to do up to 2 withdrawals, up to $400 a day. So you are able to, do a cash advance on some of the money if you want to take cash out versus just using the credit card. And remember, you guys, if you need to know how to liquidate your business credit cards that I'm recommending to you, I'm going to link my video above so that you can go to my video on how I show you how to liquidate your business credit card. So I'm gonna link that above. I'm also going to put the link for Capital on Tap and all the stuff that I'm saying right now in the description for you guys. So the great thing about this card as well is every time you use it, you're going to receive points. You receive 1.5% rewards for every transaction that you have. And then once you use it every month, they'll let you know at the end of the month what your rewards are. You go on your app, you see what the rewards are, and then they'll allow you to make purchases or use those rewards towards other things in the rewards section. So everything you're doing, you're not just spending money to be spending it, you're also getting something back. And me personally, I love a good credit card that's going to give me some rewards points or cash back, because I always end up using that to go towards travel, to go towards gift cards, paying my credit card bill itself. So that is a great perk for this particular card, especially for it to not necessarily be with a big bank. Remember, it is with Capital on Tap, not to be confused with Capital One. It's Capital on Tap. In my opinion, I really love recommending these business credit cards to you guys that don't necessarily require business credit, because again, it's just a soft pull on your personal. Now, I want to explain again to you guys, when there's soft pulling your personal credit, it's not going to be a hard inquiry, so you're not going to get that notification on your personal credit. The other great thing about this is it will not report to your personal credit at all. So if you use the full credit limit that they give you, you don't have to worry about it affecting your personal credit scores and dropping them because you've maxed the card out. As long as you continue to make your payments on a monthly basis, you'll be fine. Now, when it goes to your actual business itself, this is great for someone who may be starting an Airbnb business, because you can use this credit card to make purchases for all of your furniture and things that you're going to need inside the Airbnb. You can also use it on Amazon to make purchases for additional things you may need there. So also, if you have a clothing business, I actually helped one of my clients get approved for this for her clothing business, and she used it to purchase inventory as well as to pay invoices for the inventory that she was purchasing. If you have a trucking business, this can be used towards down payments for equipment, repairs, the list goes on and on. So the great thing about business credit cards is it's not going to report on your personal. You're allowed to have that capital, and whether you need to start the business or just further along it to what you want to do, make sure that you're taking advantage of these opportunities. And again, I am going to link my video on how you can liquidate your business credit cards into cash, which means once you got approved for Capital on Tap, if you got a $10,000 card, I show you how you can actually turn that credit card into cash, because we know sometimes you cannot use your actual credit card to make payments for certain things. Sometimes they may need a check, they may need a money order, they may need cash money, they may need a wire transfer. So I show you how to liquidate those credit cards with that video. I'm going to link it above. And drop some fire emojis in the comments if I'm dropping gems, like the video, make sure you guys subscribe. I love you guys. Thank you so much for joining. And again, this is a $50,000 business credit card with Capital on Tap. Soft pull on your personal credit will be the next thing to take your business to the next level. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you next time. Thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.